Breach. A primetime news probe reveals some underage teens are getting their hands onto alcohol at events despite systems put in place to keep them out. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Nadine McLeod. Also this evening, money wasting. Our Primetime News series continues on how autopsy delays are costing taxpayers.
On the defensive, the opposition leader on why he signed the controversial Chinese land transfer deal.
Review. The Prime Minister puts the Chinese land transfer under the microscope.
And class action. Why an MP wants to drag bank executives before the court.
In the business day, blame yourself. A parliamentarian suggests lawmakers are behind the high bank fees and charges consumers face.
There's also sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
The government gave the Chinese lands which were not valid as part of the deal to build North-South Highway. What is your view on the matter? Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.